Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is me discussing my my sketches for the day and how I am improving and also where I went wrong. So this is basically a journey of watching me improve the fundamentals of art, the way that I approach it and how I am critiquing myself to gain more experience, more confidence and more skills essentially very quickly. If there's any terms that I use that you don't understand, you don't know what they are, whatever, then please contact me. So I utilise good speed as well as geometric, observational, Loomis, and that's pretty much the main methods that I use. And this is how I am quickly generating more skills very quickly within, I think that's 2 weeks now that I've been utilising these, and compared to what I was doing beforehand, they are dramatically more improved, especially the timing aspect. These all took, this one took 4 minutes, and 2 and 3 took 3 minutes. And I don't allow myself time to ponder over a line. If I'm drawing a line, then that's the line that's going to be there. I don't rub anything out, so I have to be very analytical and drawing with purpose, if that makes sense. So it was quite a challenging position to draw because her head was tilted down and her eyes were closed. So I'm trying to choose positions that are not within my comfort zone, and this is the end result of the sketch. Let me know what you think. If you're using the processes, that please let me know, and I shall see you next time. Bye.